Legends of Learning presents the Cookie Clone Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about understanding place value fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, welcome to the magnificent cookie cloning factory. Help us fulfill orders by cloning cookies or releasing the cookie monster. The factory's owner, Chef, will guide you with multiplication, division, and learn more about all the basics of place value and the base system 10. Use the mouse to click on different math answers and then drag and drop the correct answers to the empty spaces to complete the math place value to learn more about math. Different levels will contain more difficult math problems to solve. Complete all the levels in order to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
This means keep in mind that the answers might be shown with different place. Oof, that left